When I was going in the car for my shoot, I began to howl.
And the trolley is going and Rani's
the trolley is going, and then Adi's getting most embarrassed.
That Rani, what are you doing?
Should we tell everybody about about a conversation under the tree in Hyde Park?
That's for you and me.
Yeah.
Not for our
No.
Dabur Vita What Women Want. Powered by Tirupati Edible Oils on Mirchi Plus.
Hello and welcome to Dabur Vita What Women Want. Today's episode is very special क्योंकि आज हमारे शो पर है एक क्वीन और हम उस क्वीन के साथ बात करने वाले हैं about what mothers want. Please welcome my most favorite, India's finest, Rani Mukherjee to this special episode on motherhood. Hi! My most special guest. And I know that Rani doesn't go anywhere, doesn't do any interviews, but has made this exception and come on my show, What Women Want. But how could I not have you on my show, Rani? Because it's not because of anything of our friendship. It's because of the powerhouse woman, the powerhouse mother, wife, actress that you are.
Thank you, baby, and same to you.
No, but you had to be on this show because this show stands for, powerful women who have a voice. So Rani, of course, jitna success aapne dekha hai apne career mein, I think very few actresses of, this time have seen that kind of success. And so how difficult was it that when Adira was born for you to take a break from work?
Actually, it wasn't difficult because, as you know, Bebo, you also a mom. I think what happens to women when they become mothers is that there's something in us that changes immediately. The minute you see that baby out of your system and you look at that baby's face, and it's like you suddenly realize that you're not important anymore. There's somebody else more important than you. And it's the first time in our life we realize that we love somebody more than ourselves. When that moment happened in my life, for me, there was nothing more important than my child.
Yeah.
And also in my case, because my daughter is a premature,
Right.
so she came to me 2 months before her due time. So she was literally like this tiny.
Yeah.
She was like really tiny.
So you were very hyper.
So I was really hyper. I was stressed. And as a mother, your motherly instinct kicks in, like that protector kicks in. And like I wanted with all my might to take care of her and make sure that she's okay.
Of course.
And she was in the NICU for about 7 days when she was actually supposed to be there for nearly like 15 days. But luckily, with God's grace, all the parameters that a baby needs to do, Adira just kicked in. So the doctor said, Rani, I have no business to keep Adira behind.
Yeah.
So in 7 days, I was back home with her.
And you worked after, I think, 2 years after she became 2?
No, actually, I went on set when Adira was 14 months.
14 months. You shot for Mardani.
I shot for Hichki. Hichki was the first one. And I remember when I was going in the car for my shoot, I began to howl. Because it was the first time that I left my 14-month-old baby at home. And I was like, what's going to happen? Because as we all mothers think that पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा अगर हम बच्चे को छोड़ के आ जाएंगे.
Yeah. But and actually, was Adi very supportive when you went?
Adi was very supportive. Actually, it's because of Adi that I actually did my first film so early.
So quickly, yeah.
But if like Adi wasn't there, I think I would have taken my time, my own Lala time, which is also not good because we have responsibility towards our fans, towards our work.
Yeah.
And as professionals, we have to get back. So that day was very, very strange because I really thought that, am I doing something wrong? What's going to happen to Adira? And she was comfortable. So I went to work and my driver was pretty shocked because he's never seen me howl. So I was like, nahi, kuch nahi.
Yeah,
like, go there. And then I went on set and I thought that I'd forgotten how to act. Because it was a gap.
That feeling. It was a gap.
That feeling. It was a gap. And I was like, will I let people down?
Yeah.
And it so happens that it's like a fish out of water. Put the fish back and the fish starts to swim. So I was like on set and it all just came back to me.
And Rani just does what she does with her eyes and starts glowing.
So it just came back. And then when I went home, it was so surreal that I saw the moment where Adira took her first steps.
Oh, wow. So you didn't miss that.
I didn't miss any milestone moment, which I was paranoid about as a mom. And it was like she came to me and I was like, and I was in disbelief because she didn't make me feel that I've left her for some time. She was fine. I think we mothers are more hyper than
Yeah,
the
children are
babies
very resilient and
They are
very,
very
very
understanding,
smart.
you know.
But coming to your next film,
Yeah.
which is releasing now, Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, in that also it's a fight of a mother's custody for her
Yeah,
children. So did you think of Adira when you were, performing and
Not
shooting
at all,
at that
not
time?
at all, Bebo. It's the story is it's so painful that I couldn't place myself in her shoes.
Mhm.
So I actually channeled my energy through my mom. You know, I just thought that what would my mom do if
If it
somebody
happened,
took
yeah.
me and Raja away from
Oh.
her?
Like, I don't even,
God
I don't
help.
even, I know your mother, so I don't want to think about that also, Rani.
Yeah, I think I would
Yeah, no.
go mental.
Yeah, knowing
yeah,
you,
like, yeah,
I'm happy you didn't think of Adira. But of course, we're going to chat more on that. We're going to play a little game.
Okay.
It's called Dabur Vita 7 Stars of Parenting. मैं आपको एक parenting situation देने वाली हूँ, and then you can obviously have to rate it 1 star to 7 stars.
Okay.
Like just any situation that I'm going to. We'll say it's a 2-star situation, 3-star, depending on what you think on your experience.
Okay.
Your baby's first word. I think it's a 7-star situation, na? Because
Of course, 7 stars.
Seven
It's 7
star.
out of 7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or I would give 14 out of 7.
Yeah, then it's like it's amazing. But your child's endless questions.
Actually,
think
she doesn't.
she doesn't?
She's very, very, very intelligent. Like, I think we all mothers think our
Yeah, no.
children are the best.
So she
but
doesn't go on asking, but why, but how?
No, because she knows. And yeah, she doesn't ask too many questions.
She doesn't ask.
No.
Okay,
Like,
fine.
I have to go behind her like a fan and try to spend more time with her. And she's like, yeah, mama, now it's my me time.
Now it's my me time
It's my
already.
me time, which my husband has taught her this word, me time. So she's like, very sweetly, she'll not ask me to leave the room.
Yeah.
So she'll be like, how do I tell my mom? You know, in a very nice way. So she's like, Mama, it's my me time.
Because you're not the me time person.
No, I'm not. I'm like, all my time is for my child.
Yeah, exactly. I know you. Keeping up with your child's boundless energy that they have. So is it a 5-star situation
Adira
or
is a
4-star?
chiller. She's a chiller. Her like energy is.
So you
just
give this situation of keeping up with your child's energy about 5 stars, or you like it? So 7 stars.
7 stars.
7
yeah,
stars.
7 stars.
Dropping your child to school for the first time.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
7 stars.
No, I'll give it 1 star.
Why?
It's too tough.
Okay, it's tough.
Yeah, it's tough. I can't give it 7 stars.
Yeah, because you're like, it's a big moment.
And especially if it's your first child, you don't want your child to go, na? You're like, ye school kyun hai, bhaiya?
Yeah. You don't
Why
wanna
do
let
we have
go.
to even send your child to school? And then you suddenly start realizing, nahi, this child has to go to
Yeah,
school.
and there is a life,
But
na,
I've
Rani?
been the most happy when it was COVID time.
Yeah, I think
Homeschooling,
you would
I have rejoiced.
You can't be like that. You can't say that. I have to fire Rani and tell her that no, you can't be like that.
No, I have enjoyed homeschooling.
No, of course.
Yeah.
So if your child misbehaves in public, that's a
No, that she
0
won't.
stars.
She's
no, not just
Adira
her, but the
Chopra.
situation is 0 stars.
She's a Chopra. She'll never be a bad lady.
Yeah. So give the
She's-
situation 0 stars.
Zero. It's minus. This can't. I don't think it's going to ever happen.
Yeah. If your child lies about something.
No, she doesn't. This is
No, she
something
doesn't.
that
that
I've
does it.
engraved.
Yeah.
Zero.
Again, you're giving
yeah.
0. Minus.
Because
A delayed growth spurt.
delayed growth spurt.
That's also a tough situation. So
That is a tough
1 star.
situation, but yeah.
No, because one would
Yeah.
get stressed on that,
yeah,
no?
Yeah.
Well, I think that's
So
amazing.
like Adira had this thing, like, you know, she used to walk on her toes.
Even Jay does.
You know, but then I got a person to actually correct that, because they say that if you don't correct it at the right time, then the child could have a problem when the child grows up, and you might have to do surgery because the calf muscle becomes really stiff.
Yeah.
So you know
because
how
वो
we,
कड़क
it's
हो
like
जाता है
that,
वो
yeah.
फिर.
So yeah, so I had that situation, but it's better to correct.
Yeah, at an
you know,
early stage.
Yeah, at an early stage.
Yes, Rani, you were amazing. Cheers. We have to cheers
Okay,
with
darling.
my coffee
With
mug.
this coffee, which we haven't had.
I am having my coffee. And also, we have a really nice hamper for you because you
Oh,
were really
sweet.
good in your parenting answers.
Oh, so sweet. You would have any which ways given to me.
Yeah, I would have anyway given you the hamper.
Yeah. You honestly
You're
gave me
my
these
most
points.
special guest. How can I not give you?
And you're my most special person.
Yeah, that I know.
For how many years now?
Yeah, that I know. I'm so happy that we're, chatting.
Maybe should we tell everybody about about a conversation under the tree in Hyde Park?
Yeah, we are like always. I mean, that's always
Yeah.
that's for you and me,
Yeah.
not for our.
No. We cannot tell what conversation we had, but I think it's one of the most special moments that Bebu and me have ever had, which I think our fans
Yeah.
deserve to know because they've seen us together for
Of
so many
course.
years, and there are few people that we both like, and I think we are in that
Yeah,
zone
yeah,
where
yeah,
we both
exactly.
like each other.
And also that's because we're very honest about it.
Yes, we're very honest about it. And I think it's, one of those things that is so special about we women,
Yeah.
about girls, that we are able to look into each other's eyes and we're able to talk to each other about our pains, about our struggles, about our tribulations, because it comes easier because when you're in front of a woman,
Yeah.
you are able to speak about your pain much easily, but men and men don't do
No, they
that.
don't share as
They
much
don't
as
share
women. Yeah.
as women share.
No, they
And I think that's the bond that Bebo and me have shared, where we have shared a lot more than just our work
of
relationship.
course. And we have to always
Yes, and-
continue to be that.
Yes, and also we've known each other from the time we were girls,
Yeah.
and we became women, and we became mothers,
Mothers at
wives
the same
first,
time, yeah.
and then we became mothers, and it's like wonderful. And
Yeah,
I think
it's
yeah,
come a full circle.
it's come a full circle.
But I have to ask you, obviously, that no one in the industry has managed to keep their kids.
Yeah.
Like I know, I have 2 boys. It's difficult, but away from the paps. But
Yeah.
you have obviously
Yes.
managed it master stroke, and of course, I also know that I'm sure it's a lot to do with the way Adi likes
Yeah.
to also be. So how is this superpower? Have you got some superpower or how?
No superpower. I just very sweetly tell them, please don't take babies' photos, and they don't.
And they don't.
Yeah, and they don't. They are very sweet, and they have been like this right from the beginning. Because they know that Adi is a private person, I'm a private person. And for me, it was very important for Adira to have a normal schooling and a normal upbringing in school, because already there's so much of attention that a child
Yeah.
normally gets, when you are a child
Yeah, from
of
a famous
known family or, famous parents or like achievers. So it was important for me to make Adira realize that she isn't special because of who she's born to.
Yeah.
She has to make herself special with what she would do in life.
Absolutely.
And she has to be an achiever herself to be able to get that, to be in the limelight or to be
Yeah.
able to be known.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
don't want her to take that for granted.
No, very well said. But of course, in your next film, of course, it's, they always say that एक माँ के पास एक superpower होता है. They can do anything,
Yeah.
obviously. So how was it? And it's about custody, and you played this mother.
Yeah.
So how is it different? Like this real and this real life mother. How is it like?
I think for
playing
me,
that?
what I really connected with Bebo is that women can go to any lengths for their children, to the extent she's okay to give up her other relationships, even her marriage, for her
Yeah.
child. So I think, imagine for a woman, her children get confiscated, her
Yeah,
children
oof.
get taken from her. What would that mother do? So that's the story. And I think that's the power of the story that caught me in my gut.
Yeah. I am to 100%
Yes,
watching the
because
film.
as a mother, I think it's very
It's a
important
must.
to watch this film. It's a must.
Yeah, but then I'll be crying, huh?
Cry na थोड़ा सा आंसू is खूबसूरत आंखों से.
I don't want to cry. Yeah, but I love emotional films, so I have to see it. So in real life, what is mealtime like for you? And how would you give her the right nutrition?
Both Adi and me are very fond of food, and the way I have wanted to parent Adira is that I never want to say no to her, because I usually think like that's my thinking and my belief is that when you keep saying a lot of no's to your child starts getting
Yeah.
very rebellious. So it's important to tell your child it's okay for you to have what you want to have, but you should know that this is the nutritional value
Yeah.
that it's going to provide to you. So you take your call. The way Adi and me are, parenting her, we are trying to make her responsible of her
Yeah.
own actions. How much physical activity she needs to
Yeah.
do in a day, which is also very important for kids.
Absolutely.
So I take care of her like that, and I encourage her to eat with her hands, because I think that's very important for children to
And
know.
we've also always
We've
done
also
that, no?
done that. So it's very important for them to also feel the food
Yeah.
and eat food with their hands to basically really understand the real taste.
Yeah, the real taste
The
of
real
it.
taste, yeah.
I feel like I've not eaten na if I don't eat
Yeah,
with my
with your
hands. अगर parenting की नई परंपरा देखी जाए तो the way mothers care for their baby's sensitive skin is very different from before.
Right.
So how particular were you when Adira was a baby with her skin?
I just use coconut oil,
Okay.
which I made at home.
Which you made at home also?
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. But I would like to gift you a hamper, my Cetaphil hamper,
Oh, nice.
which you must try the products because they're really good.
Okay, done.
Yes, please.
If you are suggesting, then I'm sure it will be good.
So now you were saying that obviously, like I hate PTA meetings. I get hyper when I have to go to Taimur's PTA meetings. But I think you're also that very particular kind of mother who would like be there on time,
Yes.
you know, overprotective, like kya hua, anything, you know, like
Yeah.
always
So
on the
for
ball.
me,
So how
I
is
think-
she when you do all of that
So
in the
when I
meeting?
have the student parent teacher
Yeah.
meeting, it's amazing because I have tears in my eyes because they're
Is
praising
that
Adira.
a Hindi film scene?
No, it's a Hindi film scene because they're praising Adira and they're like, what will we say, Mrs. Chopra? She's so lovely.
And the
She's
trolley
so
is
kind.
going and
the
Rani's
trolley
crying.
is going and then Adi's getting most embarrassed.
That Rani, what are you doing? I can
Yeah.
imagine
And
you're
I've got
this.
tears in my eyes, and I'm like, I feel as if I've won an Oscar. It's like I'm waiting to give my speech
Yeah.
as to how I'm bringing my child up.
This
But
is hysterical. I knew that this answer was coming, that it's that she would be like that. Now
Yeah.
that's it. Now that's what happens with mothers,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
How amazing.
I think, I don't know if you feel that, Bebo. I just feel that why didn't I become a mom earlier? You know?
Yeah, but
It's-
that's leading to my next question
Yeah.
because it means that after a woman becomes a mother, you know, you
Yeah.
realize and discover certain things about yourself
Self.
that didn't know existed.
Yes.
So did it happen to you?
I think it happened with me. I think I became a better person.
Okay.
Yeah, because the kind
Calmer.
of patience, not even calmer too we are not because we get more hyper with having a baby, but just the whole zone of being patient, just the understanding, hearing them more, talking less, you
Yeah.
know, trying to understand an other person's need more than your own, you know, and then adjusting. you know.
Adjusting to their
Adjusting, and then there are certain compromises that you need to make, but you happily do them because you want your child to be comfortable and you want your child to be happy. There was a phase where she was not being able to make friends in school, you know, so she used to come and tell me that, Mama, like nobody talks to me, so then I have to explain to her.
Yeah.
And now she's like completely, you know,
Yeah,
opened up, and
opened
she's with
up
her
and-
friends and she has lots of friends. So she'll tell me about what each friend did.
Yeah.
So she'll tell me all about that. And then
Which is the way
yeah,
it should be.
yeah, the way it should be. you
Yeah,
know, and
the-
it's and it's nice because when they come and chat with you or when they tell you about their day, you also start understanding them as individuals and as people,
Yeah.
and that they're not you. So, you know, we have to understand that our children might be our children,
Yeah.
but they are their own entity.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
they are their own personality.
Yeah, and
so we
they'll
have
fly
to
one
respect
day.
them
Yeah.
for who they are. You know, we can't just say you're my child and you have to listen to what I'm
No,
saying.
no.
That,
And nowadays that
kind of
doesn't work.
Parenting doesn't work at all. You have to ask them if they're okay with a certain
Yeah.
thing. Like I'm most of the time embarrassed that I have to say no to birthday parties because she doesn't want to go.
Yeah. Now
Like-
they have that age where she'll decide.
She will decide whether she wants to be part
Yeah,
of the party or she doesn't want to
absolutely.
be part of the party, and I can't just like take her.
No.
You know,
Now not
that's-
at all. That
it's,
phase
you
is
you can't-
gone.
That phase is gone.
Yeah.
So it's very important to make them understand and to make them, you know, respect them for who they are. So they in turn respect you for who you are.
Yeah.
So they don't take you for granted because you're not taking a child for granted. Like a lot of times, I think children take their parents for granted is when you take your children for
Yeah.
granted. We have to not preach, we have to practice it.
Yeah, practice it.
You know?
Practice
Like
what
if-
you preach.
yeah.
But that's exactly what
You
I'm
know?
saying. Tim always fires me. He says, but you are saying this, you are doing this. And then
Yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah.
Seth's like, see, because he's going to see you. So
it's very important that if I tell her that you need to be in bed on time for your school, I am in bed also at that
Yeah,
time because I have the next day that I have to do. So she knows that. She
Yeah.
knows the discipline. Like if she sees you work out, like I see a lot of your workout videos outside, I think it's damn good because your kids are watching you and they're going to understand, okay, we have a mom who's really health conscious
Yeah.
and she's going to follow that.
then they follow it and,
then they
get
follow it.
excited.
But if you sit and you're eating and you tell your child, you can't eat, you
Yeah,
have to
you're
go to
doing
the
it.
gym, and they'll be like, Acha, really?
But I also know Rani is a person who is somebody who's been a friend, a dear friend. You're somebody who's very passionate like me. You're loyal to people.
Yeah.
You love that. And your friend circle of your 4 or 5 friends,
Yes.
that's your core.
Yes.
So I'm going to ask you
Hmm.
a few questions about your friends
Hmm.
or your family members, you can say. Who's that one nut in the group who you think? So I'm going to ask you, you take that person's
Yeah.
name. The one nut who's a foodie. I can answer this, but yeah.
My husband.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah, Rani or Ali. So, yeah, definitely have to
Yeah.
agree. The one nut who is a shopaholic. Completely. Rani's always been,
Yeah.
na?
I can shop anywhere. You drop me anywhere on the road, I
हाँ.
will try and buy something
And
for sure.
कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल
कुछ
ही
ना
जाए.
कुछ एक clip भी मिल जाए तो वो भी खरीद लूंगी.
Yeah, that you have.
Flower also I'll buy.
Yeah, something you have to buy something.
Yeah.
Na? Yeah.
Yeah.
The one nut who always carries something healthy in their bag.
I don't think I know anyone who's
Who
that
carries
healthy.
that healthy, huh?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
might find nuts
I think
in my
me,
bag.
actually even me. Even
Yeah. You carry some.
I always carry nuts.
Huh, perfect.
Yeah.
The one nut who is always traveling.
You.
That I have to agree with.
Yeah. Every time बेबू travel कर रही है. कहाँ जा रहे हो? तुम लोग सिर्फ start ही जा रहे हो.
नहीं,
क्या कर रहे हो?
holiday के लिए जा रहे. Spring break now. You all also have
Yeah,
spring break,
break.
na?
Yeah.
Ah,
We
so
are
then-
all. Yeah.
So you will also be running away
Even I'll be
somewhere.
running.
So that's fine. You have another hamper because you answered well.
One nut to another nut.
One nut to another nut. So this was great. So now, जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, I think it was much simpler times. We used to go to school, come back, play in the building, the regular kind of thing. But I think आजकल के parents feel that pressure of sending them to a good school, extracurricular activities,
Yeah.
all of that. There's too much pressure. So
Yeah.
how do you strike that balance with,
Children, along with playing, they also have to learn certain skills because this is their age.
Yeah.
Whether they are learning to speak another language. So for me, it was important that Adira learns another language apart from the languages that she's going to study, which is English language, which she has to obviously speak and communicate with. Then, of course, Hindi, which she needs to know how to read, write, and also communicate really well.
Of course.
And Adira was one of the students in her class who spoke Hindi really well.
Yeah.
Because we made sure that she speaks Hindi.
Very
and that
good.
Hindi should be saaf. That's very, very important. Then, of course, she's learning Marathi because we live in
and
Maharashtra. So now learning Marathi is compulsory. But with that, I wanted her to learn a global language, like a language that she can speak when she goes abroad.
Absolutely.
And it's not very difficult. So I thought teaching her Spanish would be great. Because that's the most spoken language in the world. And she's learning that. But I didn't want to force that on her. But I kind of gave her options and she really
decided.
took on
what
the language and she was very, very interested. And I think that is one thing that I made her do. And every other activity or every other extracurricular activities that she does is all decided by her. Whatever she wanted to learn. Like she's a very artistic and a very creative child. So she wanted to do painting. She wanted to learn singing because she has a great voice.
Lovely.
And she wanted to play the piano. So,
so
it's
she's what
learning.
she wants. You're encouraging what she...
And of course, because I'm
extracurricular
Mardani, I wanted her to learn taekwondo. And I wanted her to
Lovely.
be
So
able
are my
to...
boys.
Yes, very important. And of course, chess because that's great for the...
but right now you are making her do, I feel, 10. You have said 10 extracurricular activities.
And she loves them. And she loves ballet.
And there's ballet also
ballet
now.
Also.
Rani has said, after saying no, she has given a, it's a list.
And this list is all decided by her. Just by
that. I want to do this.
I want to do this. In fact, she wanted to do more.
Oh.
So I told her, I said, please.
Abhi nahi.
I said, please. So what happens is, in their school, they have this extra activity that they do after school.
After school,
So I have begged her. I said, please, Adira, please come back home.
Yeah,
Mama wants to meet you. I know
and
you
like,
have these classes.
come
And then she tells me that, Mama, my friends have 2 classes after school. I said, wow, but you'll be having only 1. So she's the one who's more enthusiastic. And I'm the one who keeps curbing it because I want her to flourish in them and I want her to learn new skills. But I don't want her to get all this. But the beauty is that she enjoys it.
Amazing. Now, I'm going to throw the ball in your court. You're going to choose a category. Of what category, whether it's fashion, relationships, childhood, whatever you want to ask. Whatever category. No. You choose the category and I'll ask you. I'll ask you a question on that category. So now this is our 4 categories, which is career, relationships, childhood, fashion. So you push one and decide which one you want.
Okay, childhood always.
Lovely. So my question is, what advice would you give a 13-year-old Rani?
Nothing. Because at 13, you just need to take it easy, to chill. You don't have to give any advice to 13-year-olds. Be at home, have your dal chawal, chill.
Thank you,
That's
Rani.
a good question.
Very good question. Best of luck for
you're
your
my
film.
favorite.
And it's going to be a smasher of a hit. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Before we wrap for today, I have something really important to say. One of the growing causes of death in women has become heart attacks. because often women's symptoms aren't taken seriously. It is very important we take care of our health by making healthy food choices. I have recently discovered American pistachios and have made it a part of my diet. Pistachios are a complete plant-based protein and an antioxidant powerhouse. Also, it's a perfect snack for a healthy heart. Well, that's it from me today on Dabur Vita What Women Want, the complete health drink for 7 vital growth needs. Until next time, bye.